In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear shock on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear wheel. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts, they are a bolt. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Just hold your wheel, take that last one out. After you remove your wheel, you have your wheel liner that needs to be removed. It's held on by a couple of 7mm, a couple of 10s, and some clips. So we're going to start down here at these 7mm. One 10mm here, one 10mm here. Take your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew that. You can start to pull it down. Before you take your top shock mount bolts off, you want to raise and support the vehicle and get some sort of jack, bottle jack, and just put it in your rear suspension just so it touches and gives it a snug, because once you take those two bolts off, the suspension's going to want to come down. You have your two 16mm bolts for your top shock mount. You want to remove those. Your lower shock has a 21mm bolt. You want to remove that and pull the shock down towards you. Remove your lower shock bolt, slide it out. After removing your shock, you can put it in a vise like I did. Take a pair of pliers, way up top, you don't want to damage your piston, and give that a lock. That's going to help you take this nut off without this whole thing spinning. This is a 17mm nut. After you remove your top shock mount, you want to take this piece of plastic here off so you can get your boot off. Our spacer didn't want to come off, so since we're replacing the shock anyway, I just ground it down so you can slide your boot right off your shock. We have our new shock in our vise. We'll take the nut off. Take that spacer off, take your shock boot, slide it all the way down, take your spacer, put that down, take your mount, slide that down, put your nut on. They do make a special tool to tighten this down without clamping this, but you can clamp up top like we did when we removed it. Tighten that down. You want to torque that nut down to 22 foot-pounds. Take your shock, bring it up through the bottom. Take your lower shock bolt. Thread that in by hand. You don't want to tighten this yet. You want to get those two shock bolts up top started and tighten first, and then come back and tighten your bottom one. Start those by hand. Give those a snug with the gun. And those get torqued down to 37 foot-pounds. Go down below, you get your 21 millimeter, tighten that up. And that gets tightened to 139 foot-pounds. After you have all your bolts tight and torqued, take your bottle jack and remove it. Take your wheel liner. Line it up on your studs. Give it a push. Start with your 10 millimeter nuts here and here. Tighten those down. Now let's get these two 7 millimeters. Give those a snug. And here reinstall. Line up your holes. Get your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done in your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.